G'day guys, Joe Cross here from the movie Fat, Sick and Nearly Dead, and today we're going to talk about pulp. Yes, pulp. That's what you get when you juice. You see, we've got our great Nama juicer here, we've got our beautiful juice, we've got our produce, and we've also got our pulp. And this is a big question I get asked. Joe, what do we do with the pulp? Well, here is a bunch of tips that I reckon that you can put your pulp to good use. Tip number one, you can add this pulp to your next soup or even a veggie broth. Tip number two is all about the burger. Who doesn't love a good veggie burger? And this stuff is incredible to be added to the veggie patty. If you're in the mood for making muffins, pulp can be a fabulous ingredient to add into your next muffins. Tip number four, when you're making your next smoothie, take a handful of the pulp and put that in for extra fiber. One of the big things that I use my pulp for when I'm back home in Australia is for composting the garden. It's awesome for that. And my last tip is, what about our furry friends? Yep, you guessed it. You can make pet food out of the pulp. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed our tips on what to do with the pulp. This is Joe Cross signing out with a big juice on.